The top 7 polyphenol-packed foods for your microbiome you need to know about. Did you know that the average person's gut microbiome is only 10% as diverse as it should be? Studies have linked this lack of diversity to an increased risk of chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 7 foods with polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that can improve the diversity and health of your gut microbiome. We'll be talking about the benefits of antioxidants, why you need them, and how these foods can improve your gut health. Stick around till the end of the video to learn how to take control of your gut health with these superfoods. Not only will it improve your all-around health, but also help you to lose weight, feel more energetic, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. It's time to take charge of your gut health, so don't miss out. The relationship between polyphenols and a healthy gut. Think of your gut microbiome as a lush garden. Just like a garden needs diverse plants, sunlight, and water to thrive, your gut microbiome also needs a variety of beneficial bacteria and the right nutrients to function optimally. One of the key nutrients that support a healthy gut is polyphenols. Just as a gardener wants to protect plants from harmful insects, polyphenols can protect the gut from harmful bacteria and inflammation. Studies have shown that a diet rich in polyphenols can increase the diversity of the gut microbiome. Much like how different types of plants in a garden provide a diverse ecosystem for beneficial insects and animals, polyphenols have been found to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria such as bifidobacteria and lactobacillus, which breaks down food and produces short-chain fatty acids that provide energy for the body's cells. Additionally, like how a strong fence around a garden protects it from external factors, polyphenols help to strengthen the gut barrier. A healthy gut barrier is important for preventing harmful bacteria and toxins from penetrating the body and causing inflammation. A strong gut barrier is necessary for maintaining a healthy immune system and preventing chronic inflammation. We've compiled a list of the most nutrient-dense and polyphenol-rich foods that you need to add to your diet. This list has something for everyone. Let's dive into our countdown of the 7 foods you need to try. Dark chocolate. Are you a chocolate lover? Are you aware that dark chocolate is a rich source of polyphenols, particularly flavonoids? Flavonoids are a type of polyphenol that have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. These compounds not only protect the gut lining, but also help to promote the growth of good bacteria in the gut microbiome. Dark chocolate is a great addition to your diet if you're looking for ways to boost your gut health. Unlike milk chocolate, dark chocolate has a higher percentage of cocoa, which means it contains more flavonoids. The higher the percentage of cocoa, the higher the flavonoid content, and thus more health benefits. Dark chocolate is also rich in magnesium and iron, 2 essential minerals for optimum general health. Studies have shown that it improves cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure and improving blood flow. It also contains caffeine and theobromine, which can boost energy levels. When selecting dark chocolate, look for brands that contain at least 70% cocoa. That way you'll be assured that you're getting the most flavonoids and health benefits. Grapes. Next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a bunch of grapes. Grapes are a great source of polyphenols, especially resveratrol, which has a number of potential health benefits, such as protecting against heart disease and certain types of cancer by reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Resveratrol is also known for its anti-aging properties and its ability to improve cardiovascular health by reducing the risk of blood clots and artery damage. Grapes can be enjoyed in various forms such as fresh grapes, juice, or wine. However, if you're going with wine, you have to consume it in moderation. Opt for red, purple, or black grapes instead of green grapes as they have higher levels of resveratrol. Grapes also contain other essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C and potassium. Incorporate grapes into your diet for a healthy gut and a strong heart, and to maintain a youthful look. Green tea. Ever heard of the saying, a cup of tea a day keeps the doctor away? Maybe not. But green tea is more than just a comforting drink. It is also a great source of polyphenols, mainly catechins, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. They also help to protect the gut lining and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut microbiome. Drinking green tea regularly can improve cardiovascular health, aid in weight loss, and improve brain function. When it comes to brewing the perfect cup of green tea, use water that is not too hot, as high temperatures can burn the leaves, leading to a bitter taste. It is also recommended to brew for 2 to 3 minutes for optimal flavor and health benefits. Green tea is a great alternative to coffee and can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Olive oil. Did you know that extra virgin olive oil has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries? The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all recognized its health benefits. This oil is a great source of polyphenols, particularly oleocanthal, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer by supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Extra virgin olive oil is a versatile ingredient that can be used in cooking, as a dressing, or even in beauty and skincare routines. It is a great addition to salads and marinades as a dressing. The polyphenols present in the oil will be preserved in this case. If you're cooking over high heat, don't choose olive oil. Olive oil has a lower smoke point, the point at which an oil literally begins to smoke. Olive oil is between 365 degrees and 420 degrees Fahrenheit than some other oils. When you heat olive oil to its smoke point, the beneficial compounds in the oil start to degrade and potentially health-harming compounds form. When shopping for olive oil, make sure to look for extra virgin olive oil, which means it is made from the first cold press of the olives and has not been chemically treated. It should also be stored in a cool, dark place to preserve its health benefits. Nuts and seeds. For our next food on the list, we have nuts and seeds. These natural antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress and inflammation, making them a must-have. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are just a few examples of the many types of nuts and seeds that are high in polyphenols. Imagine snacking on almonds can lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health, while munching on walnuts can have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. And adding ground flax seeds to your diet can improve gut health and reduce the risk of certain cancers. These are just a few examples of the many benefits that nuts and seeds can offer. Legumes. Following the last foods on our list of a powerhouse, we have legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Legumes are particularly high in flavonoids, a type of polyphenol that has been linked to a variety of health benefits. For example, black beans contain a flavonoid called anthocyanin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Lentils, meanwhile, are a great source of flavonoids called flavonols, which are linked to improved heart health. There are also flavonoids called flavones, which have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers and can be found in high amounts in chickpeas. Legumes also have a prebiotic effect on the gut, which means they help promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut microbiome. This can lead to improved digestion and a stronger immune system. They are also a good source of fiber, which is beneficial for digestion and weight management. Conclusion. We've reached the end of our journey exploring the top 7 foods with polyphenols, the powerful antioxidants that support our gut microbiome. From dark chocolate to extra virgin olive oil, nuts and seeds, legumes and fruits and vegetables, the options for incorporating these foods into your diet are endless. Start experimenting with these foods today and give your gut the love it deserves. Remember, a healthy gut equals a happy you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting videos like this one. Thanks for watching.